Picture this. You're relaxing in the Delta Sky Club with a drink in your hand, waiting for your flight to board. The Delta Reserve card is your golden ticket, but there's just one thing in the way: your credit score. Everyone says you need a flawless 800 just to have a shot, right? Well, what if I told you that's not really the whole story? Stick around because I'm about to show you the surprisingly low scores that are getting approved and the key things American Express actually cares about way more than just your FICO score. Alright, let's cut to the chase. While American Express doesn't publish an official minimum score, the data suggests you'll want to be somewhere around 690 or higher for a good shot. But here's the inside scoop. People have reported getting approved with scores down in the 640s. So how is that even possible? It's because Amex is looking at your whole financial picture, not just one number. So, what are these other things they value so much? First up is your income. The average income for someone who gets approved is over $150,000 a year. This just shows Amex that you can comfortably afford the annual fee and handle a premium credit line. Second, how much of your available credit are you using? You've probably heard the rule about keeping it under 30%, but for a top-tier card like this, you really want to aim for under 10%. It signals that you aren't desperate for credit. Now, funnily enough, the average utilization for approved members is around 24.2%, so there's some wiggle room, but lower is always better. And third, your history. A long and healthy credit history is huge. And honestly, if you already have a card or a loan with Amex, that relationship might be the most powerful tool you have. Before you apply for the Delta Reserve card, check your real credit score, exact score lenders use, and review your full credit report for errors that could be dragging it down. Best part, you can access both for almost free for 7 days. Get started now using the link in the video description below, right away today. So, while aiming for a score over 690 is a great goal, don't sweat it if you're not quite there. Focus on showing a high income, keeping your credit usage low, and leaning on any history you have with Amex. And before you pull the trigger, definitely use their free pre-approval tool on their website. It lets you check your odds without dinging your credit with a hard inquiry. What's your experience been with Amex? Let me know down in the comments.